I'm Simona Roggero. I'm a pediatric oncologist, the co-founder and CEO of Fideliomed. I'm happy to share with you the mission of our company. Fideliomed has developed a digital diagnostic platform for real-time diagnosis of common and treatable diseases in primary care. Our first target is anemia. 1 in 4 people sitting in a doctor's waiting room are suffering from anemia. Most of them stay undiagnosed and untreated even after the medical visit until complications. This is a huge problem for vulnerable people. It's a huge problem for babies, for pregnant women, and for older people, people with cardiac and renal diseases, people with cancer. Most of vulnerable people don't receive an early diagnosis, but a late one that put them at risk of hospitalizations, blood transfusions, and irreversible cardiac and renal complications. An early diagnosis in primary care settings can be a game changer for them. Early stage of anemia are easy to treat with lower complications and fewer costs. So a game changer for them and a game changer for the healthcare system. How do we help primary care providers? We empower primary care providers with the possibility to offer a real-time diagnosis, an early diagnosis, when patients are present during the same medical visit, just in one step. Our digital diagnostic platform is easy to use. There is a portable instrument, several cartridges, one cartridge put together all biomarker tests that are needed to get a complete diagnosis of anemia without the need of additional lab tests. And there is the digital assistant that turns digital assistance, and so turns diagnostic data into a decision clinical support. So, from a few drops of blood, you can have a real-time diagnosis of anemia. Real-time diagnosis, early diagnosis, is a game changer for all stakeholders. Reduce clinical and healthcare costs and improve the quality of life. Early diagnosis can overcome the logistical challenge of traditional lab for vulnerable people, of course. And for the primary care providers is an opportunity to get a best service to their clients and also a profitable asset due to reimbursement. Our main competitor is the lab, the central lab, but central labs don't offer real-time diagnosis when patients are present, don't offer digital assistant. Other point-of-care testing technology just test one biomarker that is good for screening, not to diagnose a complex disease such as anemia. We worked hard to finalize our device. We have a strong IP protection, 10 patent families for our cartridges, a clear regulatory pathway, an easy manufacturing process with our industrial partner, and the diagnostic technology is combined with our digital asset. Anemia cartridge is the first one. We are working on other cartridges for other common and treatable diseases such as diabetes and nutritional deficiencies. Now is the perfect time for new, decentralized, and smart diagnostics. Healthcare systems are transforming. We know there are more older people with chronic diseases that need a different way to be tested. And the market of anemia has a huge room for improvement. We will sell the instrument, the cartridges, and the software license to doctors' offices and pharmacy chains. We plan to have the go-to-market entry in the USA with a razor blade model. The instrument will be for free, and then we will add a monthly subscription for the cartridges. The prototype has been validated on capillary blood samples. Now the manufacturing process is in progress, and we plan to have the technical dossier by the end of 2025 to get the FDA approval and the CE mark. So the go-to-market entry will be in 2026 with industrial players that are de-risking our development. Our team is skilled and committed. By working together, we are turning our idea into a concrete digital diagnostic product. All of us have experience in diagnostics, and we are not alone. We have an important and international network of partners in science, technology, and industry. Our company has been recognized in many international competitions. Now we are looking for partners and investors aligned with our vision. We are looking for $1.5 million to complete the clinical validation and to finalize the technical dossier for the regulatory approval. So, we hope you will support our team. We solve a global clinical need with a huge market opportunity, with a technology coupled with digital assistance and a multidisciplinary team backed by an international network. Our ambition is to be a reference company in primary care diagnostics. Curious about your feedback, open to your questions, and thanks to JumpStart to be here.